after this, I'm going to show the one I did on pen and paper to just further explain it. Over here is all my data. Over on the left-hand side, we have all the different flavors and the no preference flavor. And then on the other side, we have all the categories of how it was split up in the tallies of the voting. And then we went over here, and this is the pie chart I created. You insert a pie chart with using Excel by going over here. They recommend some charts, but I went over here and I just filled out my own pie chart. So let me click on this. So I just titled mine ice cream flavors. And we have the ice cream flavors down here: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and then no preference. So we're gonna start with the chocolate. So you can click on it and you see it says 24 and then the percent. It is 40%, and I will further explain this on the pen and paper one, but you can get 40% as if you add 21, 5, 24, and 10 all together, you get 60%. And you do 24 divided by 60 and you get 40%. When we go over here, we have 5 for the no preference, and you do the same thing, 5 divided by 60. Now, yes, and you get 8%. And then we will go over here, and we would do the same thing. So you do 21 divided by 60, and you get 35%. And then you go down here, and then you get 10 divided by 60 is 17%. The actual one is 16.7, but I just rounded to 17%. And the same thing here. The actual percent is 8.3, but I just rounded to that. And this is the pie chart that I did on Excel. And after this, we are going to move on how to do a pie chart with paper and pencil and further explain the data. Personally, my favorite is to do it on Excel. I feel like it is very easy and it just very helps you, it helps you recommend, and a pie chart for this kind of data is very easy to understand how much this one is more than, so chocolate is more than strawberry, and I feel like it is very easy to see. Sometimes in bar graphs, I feel like it is not always that easy to see, so I feel like with Excel and using this as pie chart was the best for this kind of data. So now we are going to move on to the paper and pencil and how to draw an actual pie chart. So let me